Very briefly, I'll take you through software that has been developed by the STEM Center Africa. This is a church management software. It can be installed in any computer to help church manage members, the assets, contributions, etc. So here we have the login interface. Like I can log in so that we see how the user interface is. Now we can log in, and now this is the user interface. For now, we don't have any entry, which we can now do. Before we do any entry and see how the features work, this is now what we have in our main menus: the dashboard, members, contribution, report, communications, assets, and so it has been made such that there are some tabs which are only made accessible by only admin can get an access to communication and user management. And only admin and maybe a clerk can add members, delete members, add contributions, or delete contribution. Any other, a third person may not do that. So dashboard here, we will have a quick overview of the total members and maybe a brief summary of the contributions that have been made. Members you can add, members you can export, you can delete contributions. You can, there are some listed contributions, but should your church have different types of contributions here? We can modify so that as per your type. For now, we have types: offering, income, meeting, church development, and also you can add a type. Like now, if there is a type which is not listed here, then you can comfortably add that type and maybe say church upkeep. Upkeep. And so you can see now it is listed as one of the types of contributions that can be added. Then we have reports. Reports, you can export reports as per the range. Like now you can say maybe from 12th to 19th. It will give you a report covering that entire period. Then you can export as per the group. For now, there is no group. And the groups as in when you are adding, we are going to see that when you are going to add members, then it can also analyze the group contributions. Like now, if you have group A, group B, group C, we can briefly check their performance, like how is group A faring on per any contributions that has we have weekly, monthly. So this one also make it we avoid the paperwork, and also it is very much accurate in doing the entries and etc. So we avoid a case whereby somebody may be saying that, oh, I made a contribution and I have not seen my name. So here it is very easy. So like now we want to do adding a member. You just come and click add a member. Then now we have first name, you can say, the name can be test app. Phone number, let's say 07, and email. And now group, I can say maybe STEM Africa. Position, I'm a member and an active member. If let's say maybe my status is different from active, I can say I can choose as per. For now, then now I can save. If it is saved, then you can see we have its ID test, then the number, everything. the name etc, and you can export this. You can export so that you have it in your computer. In case you need to do a change, you can also do that. Now, when you go to contributions here, now you can see a name. Using a drop down menu, we can comfortably have choose a name. Like now, the first name is test app, and now we can comfortably add. So I can say maybe type 500. This is just an example. 400 camp meeting 500. Church development. Church must develop 5,000. Church upkeep to run church activities 2,000. This is just an example. Then you can also choose a method. If somebody maybe has given in cash, M-Pesa, etc. So you choose all here. So let's say if all this in M-Pesa, I'll choose that. Then I'll save all. Oh, so all the 5 contributions have been saved. Now, this thing this software works well, as in immediately a contribution has been done, it sends a receipt to your mail and the phone number. So like now, this is now, you can see here, an instant message has been sent. Thank you for your contribution on this. Details are type 500 offering. So this is now the accuracy that we wanted, so that everything comes out as per. Now you have your receipt there, Blessing STEM SDA Church. Now, so the contributions have been recorded, and you can see now tithe, and the same has also been sent to your message and also email. After that, now you can have your reports. You can have reports the way you want it. You can have it as per the date period within which you want it. Like now, if it is 2025, this date to this, you just generate. Let's say I want per group. It also gives group. You select the group and you export. So like now, I've only done one entry, so there is only one for STEM Africa. So if you export that, it will save it to your downloads, or you can choose any other. That one. You can also have group analysis. Group analysis, you choose. Do you want it for all groups or you want it per group? So if I want only group analysis first time, or I want for all, then I can also export the same. You can export monthly etc, such like that. Now, apart from reports, you can also have church assets. Like now, if you add an asset here, you say, what do we have? What is the quantity? Is in the, how many chairs do we have? What is their condition? So such like things. Now, user management, you can add other users, or you can also delete other users. This one only admin can add and delete. So it becomes possible. Now, if you look at the dashboard now we can have, you have only added one member. So we have members 1, total contribution overview per type. You can see camp meeting, we have that, etc and etc. And all has been represented in a very supercalifragilisticexpialidocious pie chart, which gives easy overview. Now, this software can be installed in any computer, and we are really happy that some churches have started using it, and we also hope that should you have any question or any query, please just reach to us so that you can ask, or you can should you have any question, feel free to ask.